Let's go back to the game. Black is
F6 of
Paris
course.
Dawn. He played f6 move.
Yes, very
Basically, right
exciting.
now, white can try for just try and undermine this knight
Bishop
somehow.
g4.
Oh yeah, target
Yes.
this e6 square, which is
Okay,
quite weak.
what to play? Yes.
Maybe king f7.
King f7. Now maybe king h2, f4.
F4.
Yeah, direct f4 is also good.
But g6. Yes. e4 now.
I don't see any
Yeah.
change in position.
So
Whatever.
e4 directly breaking into the center. Does it work or not? So if it takes, basically you have the d5 move and then it's strong because knight takes d5, and then e6 is also undermined. Rook
Need to
d8 is
check
never an
book.
option because of the bishop on e6,
Take on
c7.
e4 now.
Knight d5 should be good.
Surprising.
So basically Philip is breaking through, or he's taking the c4 pawn. That is also fine.
Yes.
Taking the c4 pawn is good. Now
No.
f5 from black is what I'm expecting. King f2, king e3. Maybe that will just kind of lock out this bishop.
Very unpleasant move.
This
What to
bishop is
play
already
now?
locked out.
H5
Okay, now bishop.
Yes.
Yeah, the bishop was targeting e6, but now it can't.
He's trying to win.
Bishop goes on e2, no other square. Basically, this d1 rook is stopping a lot of squares.
So,
Is
What
stopping the
now?
d1 square,
Yes.
and d1 is kind of dominated by this piece. So if this goes, then basically you have this.
Take piece. Suddenly he will take piece.
What to play now? Bishop e2.
Rook c8.
Yeah.
Move bishop on b6. Yes. He cannot lose this game. Bishop d5.
He
puts
plays bishop
b6.
d5. So I think so black is right now solid.
Three.
White initially just had to target
Yes.
target on the e6, but now it doesn't work.
Bishop.
Yeah.
Not easy to find the right one. I am analyzing without computer, so not easy for me. Excuse me.
Yes.
Maybe rook c6.
Surprise.
Rook c6. Now bishop is at a really terrible position on a7.
Now military
This knight is
service
doing a blockading
so.
task, but it's
Yes.
still not doing good. So basically, I think so. This h5 prompted the collapse of white's position,
Cannot
and this
suggest
black
any move.
knight on b3 is really good. So somehow, if rook d1 and knight bishop b3,
Yes.
that might be good to exchange of this knight.
Little
But
bit.
there isn't
yes.
any time because rook c1
not
comes
improve,
after bishop
but
d1.
trying to show all the best. All.
So black is in time
Rook
pressure.
c1. If he will find for sure.
Yes.
Black is in time pressure, kind of.
King f2. Yes, bringing king. White can make draw. King e8.
Yeah. So yeah, as expected, exchanging the knight on b3, that was the option. But right now
What
there is an
about
exchange of the rook.
takes c1?
This knight is no longer on b3. The bishops can get a little bit more active.
Knight take d5.
E
So
take.
that's a possibility.
Bishop b6.
Okay,
Check.
two bishops are kind of giving some check, but there isn't any checkmating pattern.
Suddenly,
The
but
bishops
what
are
if
trying to
bishop
get
e8?
behind the pawn, and it got one pawn.
Retake
Now take this
before
pawn
it
and
moves.
this two connected passes.
Bishop g4.
The king is protecting the c7 square, which is quite vital, and stops this
Knight
f4.
e3.
Now queen e2,
Knight take b2.
And,
h5.
yeah. a4. A4 should have been
F8.
played. A4, a5.
Yes. Bishop e6.
Game became very sharp now. Knight c4.
Bishop d8. What now? Yes.
So yeah, instead of bishop c7, he's trying bishop d8 and trying to go after the pawns.
Sure.
He's just
will
thinking
be
of bishop
some
g7
moves.
right now. Oh no, he's just thinking of taking another pawn.
Bishop take f6.
So yeah, there's two pawns taken. So black kind of misplayed it after getting
yes.
some kind of initiative.
Zero.
And he flags also.
But
So it's
no
quite unfortunate.
time.
This was a
Yes.
roller coaster game for sure. White had the initiative. Black played the h5. At which moment? Let me just see. this h5 move was, I think, so critical because this target on the e6 didn't work out well, because after h5 the retreat square for bishop is only on e2, and that doesn't work that fast. Yeah, knight on c4 wasn't ideal also. It wasn't targeting any good squares. There should have been a d5 somewhere when the knight was on b6. I mean here. So after the e4 break, which was here, now immediate d5 maybe would have been better. So let's just analyze it in a separate tab, if it can be. Here king f2 is recommended, unfortunately. Black is somewhat better. Maybe I'll just analyze it later on in depth. Till then, I'll just go through the game, what was the opening and sort of what happened. d4, London with the c5. He could have gone d5, but he chose to make a triangle formation. He could have exchanged the queens, but they aren't. Yeah, now they exchange after the c4. So black is doing some weird positional judgments, but it works to his favor because white is quite slow in his development. Yeah, white should not have allowed knight coming on b3. Here bishop t1 should have been would have been a better move, but this knight was attacked, so I really don't know what would have been a good move here. He played knight c7. I don't like this move that much. I would have played knight d6. Okay, the exchange of this rook. Bishop comes on c6. And then there is this whole stuck up of these two pieces being dominated by this piece. And there's no queenside activity for white. And I don't know if f6 is really good or not. So Filip Levicki is leading 3-2. The other two quarterfinals were covered in Shivam Bansal's YouTube channel. Vishwanath Jayaraman won 5-0 against Lawrence, and Alexander won 5-2 against Eric Akasdijk. Yeah, so after g6, he should have reacted somewhat, done something about this bishop. I would have chosen h4. So if h5, then bishop h3. See, the king is mobilized because of the f6, f7, f7, f6. So king f2 should have also been played a bit faster. This e4 move, I would have followed it with the immediate d5. I wouldn't have stopped. He went for the c4 pawn, but again the position starts getting cramped. But anyways, white won ultimately. But positionally, I think so it was black who was having the edge. I'll play some ultraviolet till the game starts maybe. I hope the ultraviolet comes on the live stream too. They are right now at 3-2. This is the CCKT tournament between Filip Levicki and online chess. Are they playing another game? Oh, they are, unfortunately. I'll just play one quick game and go there.
Queen a3.
Now
What about c4?
yes, nobody can tell. Knight c6.
Oh my god. I lost. Okay, so this is game
So what else?
5. It starts with the 4 knights, exchange of
Yes.
king on f2, which is a weird setup from Paris Dawn. He gets this,
But not easy.
and so on and so forth. The game continues. So right now at this critical point, he has played c4.
So
Uh,
I don't know how to.
I think so.
Yes.
With aims of trapping the queen somehow, maybe. I don't know what.
Critical.
But again, white has the bishop pair.
Need
White
to
has
improve
chosen this
his
strange
pieces.
setup.
Yes, first he
I don't know
decides
if
to
white really
improve
gets
queen.
something out of it.
Yes.
It's quite
Some
risky
unpleasant
to play such kind of moves, like play c3, a4, king f2,
Position
d4.
of bishop and
Like,
queen is
The plan
not
isn't
very
that clear.
promising.
Also, he
Yes.
wasted a lot of time, Paris Dawn.
I am analyzing without computer, so please, yes, excuse me if I may.
And this is okay. After c4, knight retreated. He took the pawn. He took the c4 pawn. Queens exchange, and this is
Yes.
again some kind of an endgame like the previous game, and
But
it mostly
after
will be a
that,
time scramble. King coming to the center.
C6.
I don't know what rook
King
c1
f3,
does.
yes.
Basically,
Rook maybe take on c4.
this bishop
Yes.
could have gone to a8. Okay, it's going to b6.
c3.
This pass pawn can be stopped with bishop d3.
Bishop d3. Knight d5. He's
After
open
knight
on
d5,
fine.
this pawn has to be protected, so maybe b5.
Coordinate
No,
b5.
Yes.
b6 coming.
Take b5.
Now,
bishop
if
take
c2,
b5.
Then this is
Interesting
quite
game
difficult now. Bishop d3 doesn't work because knight takes d3.
Yes, resign.
Yeah, so yeah, white black wins, and this makes it 4-2.
And I am Dmitry Komarov, Grandmaster. d4.
Knight f6. Guy. Oh,
Knight f3. g6. What else? g3.
b5.
Yeah, so now this is the final game mostly. If Laser Monkey wins this, it's over. It starts with g6, b5 from Paris Dawn. Again, Paris Dawn choosing
tactical
some weird setups. Bishop b7, a5, a4. So white is basically trying to
Yes.
do something about this b5, and he advances it.
Not some
This is bad.
unusual
c6 is very
king
weak.
symbol.
Knight b7.
I don't know what exactly
Knight take
black is
d7.
achieving through this position.
Knight take d7. Yes.
I don't like this. Yes, looks not natural. e3.
What about d5?
Knight f3.
Rook e8.
Queen b3. Looks not happy.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, queen
Attacking
b3.
idea can play.
Targeting this, maybe e4.
Bishop a6.
Okay, bishop a6, bishop c4.
Rook
That's
d1.
also good.
Most logical c6.
Maybe
Okay.
bishop c4 next move.
Yes.
Black is in a mess because I don't know
Bishop
exactly what
d2.
black is really doing.
Rook b8.
Interesting game also. Bishop f1. Let me check.
Yes.
Need to develop pieces.
So king h8. I really don't understand. There was really this four pieces were close.
What else?
So bringing the king in the corner,
Queen e7.
nothing is justified.
King g2.
Right now, just
Yes.
breaking open this might work for black, as he might get the
Unbelievable
e2 square.
F5.
But he's not going for the e2 square. He's going for f5. Again, I don't know what black's plan is. It's very tough to guess black's
Queen
plan.
c2.
He played a weird opening.
Very complicated.
White is just trying to survive here
Yes.
and trying to see if black makes an inaccurate break. White will just capitalize
Sure,
on
I
it.
will stop.
Let's try and see some variations here. Okay, let's see. Takes. Oh,
Looks
sorry.
not happy.
Yes.
Takes.
Rook
Okay. Oh my god.
e8.
Passive chess never works. White will break through. What kind of move can white do to break through?
Not easy to find the move.
The position is quite close. I think so just takes
Recently
here.
Watch one
Bishop
movie
takes, knight
with
takes,
Gary Kasparov,
then
and Gary Kasparov explained how
get
to
one rook
play
here. That is what I
attacking
would do.
chess. He told some,
Okay, he's going for
I
h4.
call it
But
golden
h4
rule.
is kind of,
If you
it would
make
be defended out.
some
Maybe he's aiming
consecutive
for this.
10 threads in consecutive
Why to play
threads,
b3
your
and waste a
opponent
move?
will
I don't know
blunder.
what white really wants to do. Black is passive, white has to be active to seize the initiative. It can't remain passive.
Rook h1.
King g8.
Now
Also
king g8
fine
again.
piece of
Why was
game.
king h8 played few
Nice
moves back
position,
then?
but not
That's the
easy
question.
to
So yeah, both
find
mistakes from both the
ideas
side,
how
but let's see if there is a break which really
do your
proves to be
piece, how
decisive for
improve
one side.
your piece.
The time situation is quite equal on both sides.
Queen f6. Bishop c1.
Yes.
Still playing. Oh,
Okay. Bishop
not
c1.
bad move, and immediately theory is end.
Bishop c1.
E4.
Okay, e4.
Yes.
Knight e5 wins a pawn. So knight d2 has to be played, or I would play
Resign.
knight g1. I don't know what I would play. First of all, I would not have ever allowed e4. I would have just taken here.
Knight d2, no, knight d2 is not, cannot be recommended. Okay.
Now black has some
What
good
his choice?
chances.
Yes.
No.
First the
King
g5 break
f7 or what?
and
Bishop b2.
rook's
King
exchange.
e7.
By
That might
the
be
way,
something to
alcohol
do.
drink is not allowed in
Takes it.
public place. f3.
Yes.
Wow, king march here.
It's very exciting.
So black is trying to do something that's Ding Leren does. He's a
King
super
e6
GM.
now.
Ding Leren.
Oh,
He
F
marches the
taking
king.
for
Ding Leren.
good
But
tactic.
he's
Attacking
good in calculations too.
opponent's pieces inside.
Nakamura
F
also
taking for-
marches
yes.
his king. But yeah, that's what Paris Dawn did. Like both of them are playing
Very
really
fast.
creative chess. But especially for
Yes.
Paris Dawn, I really don't know what his opening implies to.
But
It's
in
like
this game we don't.
it's like super
expect
confusing, super abstract his opening.
it. Bishop e7. Most probably.
So
Queen
right now,
f4.
white is
Check in b7.
white should go for g4 right now. I would like that.
Red Bull near Nakamura. Queen
This
h6.
doesn't do anything.
Yes.
Okay,
Take
black might
piece.
try
Suddenly
this,
he will take
this and
piece.
aim for this, and then this piece falls. So how will white stop this highway thing?
Okay, now it's
If
found sequel.
black comes
Yes.
here and white comes here, and takes queen f5
Normal
check.
move here. What else?
It's advantageous for white. Black. So white this queen h6 was a
Yes.
it
Should take.
wasted a lot of time. Queen
Why
h6.
not? And rook
Black is
f8.
going to come through this and collect the bishop, collect the pawn, push the pawn.
Not easy
get a queen.
decision for rook
Plan is quite
f1.
simple. And now rook here.
f5.
He should have tried and exchanged it.
King
Maybe that
G-
would have
no,
proved
Rook
to be
f4.
better.
Yes.
Time is running.
Bishop d8.
Bishop d8 played.
Bishop c1.
Both of them really
5-6-1
like to
is
play
time.
close positions, that's for sure.
Yes.
Bishop d2.
Okay, he's giving this exchange. I don't
Now
know what
so
really
many
white
ideas.
wants.
Queen f6.
And he doesn't take it. Fantastic. Is this a blunder over blunder, or am I missing something?
Black piece.
Why
Yes.
why wouldn't you take this like this exchange and be an exchange up?
Okay.
This knight on s2 is doing nothing. It can't come on f3. It can't come on g4.
Yes.
The king has only one square to escape.
Now.
White is in a
Bishop
fix.
take f4.
Now he
He
takes
take
it. One
f4
move
is
later.
losing.
And black like white didn't even do anything to.
And we will
Stop
come
this
famous position. Yes.
Now some knight maneuver. I would like that. Knight
Yes.
e2, knight e6,
Knight f8.
sack here, and breakthrough. Now bishop
Oh,
g3
black
might
can
be good for
defend, yes.
white. That might be good.
In h3, this is according theory is losing position. Not working.
Yes.
Yeah, so messed up a few moves. King went to g3, knight came to f1, and now this.
Take on
This is quite
h7
passive.
even.
Rook should drop to maybe. Yeah, f7 is fine.
Yes.
Now
What
this
to
is a
play?
draw. There's no breaks.
Knight
White can
e2.
try this. Take here
Knight f6.
and try and push.
Every player must make signature. King g3.
Yes.
Okay, now
Knight g4.
king on g3 is
Bishop
not that
f2.
good. Now taking here is fine.
Coming blood from his nose, and now doctor's trying to
It should
help.
take the bishop. White should take bishop. Black should take
Maybe.
the bishop.
Yes.
Since the bishop is also a bad piece, it doesn't have that much mobility. It's dominated.
King
If I were
h3.
white, I would just march my king
There
here,
is losing.
protect this b3 weakness,
Rook f8. Sharp.
and protect this other weakness
Yes.
with the bishop.
Knight e-
Knight, sack on e4,
Knight f6.
and
Okay.
try to get the f5. Somehow with the king kind of nearby there.
still
White has to do some kind of
Fine.
piece sacrifice,
he should
otherwise.
find right plan, but
it won't
normal
work.
plan is a5.
So white is doing the king march most probably, or shuffling king. One of these two things.
Not very strong idea.
Play king f6.
Very exciting, this player. I'm very happy to watch his
Both of them are in
games.
time
Yes.
pressure.
Rook b8.
This shuffle is continuously happening.
Now bishop h2.
So
Rook b7.
even
Very
black doesn't want to break through. Black is not calculating this.
Strong
I would
opponent.
calculate this.
King
Be on the
f2.
light squares
Knight
and try and
g3.
break through.
Yes.
Okay, still king on g4.
Yeah, black breaks it.
Position of bishop
Quite
and
slow
queen
in
is
execution,
not
but
very
okay.
promising. King g2.
Why is black
How to
wasting
stop?
time now?
Knight f6 looks most probably like this. Yes.
Oh,
Knight
okay.
h7. Looks
Ah, this looks
Draw
fixed.
now.
Why wouldn't
Yes.
black king take the f
H3.
knight
h4
e6.
pawn?
King g2. Knight g7.
This is what
Knight
I'm
h3.
not understanding
King
this. This
So
shuffling.
what? How to
Why it's
improve
necessary?
position?
Black white isn't entering anywhere.
Knight h7. Looks
Why is black allowing some
Draw
kind
now.
of play to white?
King h3.
maybe knight f5. Why not?
Bishop f2.
This should be a draw.
Knight g7.
King h3. King f6.
Yes.
This should be a draw soon. They should agree to a draw maybe.
Also Very's idea. Yes.
King g2.
Maybe knight h6. Knight h3. Yes.
Should take.
Knight g4, knight
Why
g5. Is there some
Knight
break?
g4 maybe. it
Oh my
will
god.
help
Why
me.
does black allow this knight?
g5. Knight h6.
Okay, now if knight comes here,
Here
somehow
can play
and that
king
comes here,
g3.
then the rook c7 is forced. Maybe knight can be
Knight
lost.
h7.
Yeah. It's quite risky. Knight has to remain here only.
Knight g5.
Play king f6.
Yeah, right now he's calculating this. I don't think so it works.
Bring
He has to
knight
go
on
back here.
g5.
But need to remove knight.
Is there
Knight
50
g5.
move rule
Maybe
done?
knight f5.
Maybe
Why
it's
not?
done. It should be a draw.
Knight
Someone should
h7.
claim a draw.
Check.
What king g7?
Bring knight on g5.
What to play? How
Oh
to
my
stop
god.
his idea?
Oh my god. Black blundered. What a
King
game.
g2.
What a game
Play
by
king
Philip.
f6.
What a game by
King
Philip.
h3.
Right now just this weak point
There is
or this weak point. Can he come
King
to this
g2.
weak point?
king c8.
Let's just see.
h3.
No,
Can he
yes.
come?
King g2.
He can try this sack.
No, I will
This knight
play
sack.
pawn.
I would do that.
King e6.
Takes.
Draw agree.
What? It is a win for
So
white.
please
Black.
join us.
Philip would have just
Okay,
taken the game
e4,
and he didn't take
e6,
it.
d4.
Okay, d5.
What the hell? This is a French? Knight c3. Bishop g5 now?
c3. What else?
Okay, they go into the old style
C
knight
takes
d7.
d4, knight
French.
take d4.
Queen b6.
c3. Knight c3.
Knight
Knight
c5. I am ready. Most probably.
Weird. I don't play this variation of French. I generally play the bishop g5 or
Position
Winawer
is
variation. I like that a lot.
Bishop e3. Not drop.
I don't
yes.
understand this advanced French.
Defend everything.
Bishop e7.
g3. So he has only few seconds. Few seconds to make move. 10 seconds, 9 seconds.
Yeah, so
Lord castle.
some shuffling going on. The light square bishop is on d7, which is not
Capture
that good.
on b2.
Okay, s3, not that great
Mhm.
square. And how
Yes.
did he allow this poison pawn? Because knight is on c4, so he can't come on b3. He should have played rook b1 somewhere, but he didn't.
Not very easy.
Now he
Less
should-
space.
He'll give up this pawn too. He can try this, but it isn't doing that much.
Yes.
Also looks his, like always, not.
What else can he try? He can try this also. Takes and then bishop d4. Maybe he'll go for
Now,
that.
no chance.
I don't know what bishop s3 does.
Losing.
This is not how
Not
you
yes.
do it. f5? Is he aiming for f5?
Not expected.
Now f5 isn't that good. Black is quite solid.
In trouble. Also this time right. Yes.
Yeah, he tries f5 directly.
F5 to play.
That's amazing. Considering the
What to
c3
play?
pawn. If I were black, I would take on
94
d4.
looks very strong.
I take this c3 pawn. Knight on e4. I don't understand
Yes.
this.
Okay, it's practical.
Now e takes. This somehow. If
And
this
now it seems
this takes,
white
this
is
pawn takes.
slightly better.
b file is open,
Yes.
try and play rook b1 maybe. Try and deflect this bishop so that the
Otherwise
e6
it's
square
pawn
is
and
there. Knight e4 I'm not understanding. Parisdown is trying to refute this
What
knight e4.
else?
Yes.
Again I believe that this setup might work. Knight takes c6 and bishop d4.
Maybe he missed something.
Let's see knight h4. I don't know if knight h4 is good.
What else?
It
So,
moves,
yes.
it gives space to the queen, defends this pawn. I don't know what it